All right, here we have the residential buyer's inspection notice and seller's response, or in Arizona we call it the BINSR. Here the buyer, when purchasing a property, has the right to inspect the property within a certain amount of days, which we do highly recommend. It will be performed by a licensed inspector, and they really have three options. When purchasing a property, you can accept the premises as is, no corrections need to be made. You can reject the premises and cancel the contract, or you can give the seller an opportunity to repair any requests that are made after the inspection has been performed. Here you will do it on these line items given on this form. We will send it off to the seller, and they have the right to their response. They also as well have the right to rather agree to the items disapproved by the buyer and give them time to correct them, or the seller is unwilling or unable to correct any of the items that the buyer would like to have repaired. At that point in time, the buyer will have the right to accept the contract or cancel the contract, and you will utilize this section here to accept or cancel and date and sign. And there you have it.